Hello, my name is Jason, and welcome to TESOL by Jason. I hope to share today the 44 most interesting and useful English words when visiting an airport. So today's lesson will be about airport English vocabulary. Let's begin and jump right in. The best way we can go about this today is listening to me say the word and then saying it out loud where you are to practice. For example, airline terminal, airline terminal. Very good. I'll say it in a regular way. I'll repeat it more slowly, and then you say it aloud. Number two, airline representative. Airline representative. Check-in counter. Check-in counter. I will check my bag at the check-in counter. Arrival and departure monitors. Arrival and departure monitors. I check the time of my flight on the arrival and departure monitors. Gate. Gate. My flight is at gate 7. Boarding area. Boarding area. Wait for your flight at the boarding area. Control tower. Control tower. The flights are guided by the officers in the control tower. Helicopter. Helicopter. Airplane. Airplane. Overhead compartment. Overhead compartment. I put my bags in the overhead compartment. Cockpit. 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 The pilot sits in the cockpit. Pilot. Pilot. Flight attendant. Flight attendant. The flight attendant will check on you during your journey. Flight attendant. Oxygen mask. Oxygen mask. The flight attendant will show you how to use the oxygen mask. Air sickness bag. Air sickness bag. I hope you don't have to use the air sickness bag. Tray table. Tray table. Make sure your tray table is in the upright and locked position. Baggage claim area. Baggage claim area. Go and get your bags in the baggage claim area. Your bags are on the carousel. Carousel. Luggage carrier. Luggage carrier. Customs. Customs. When you go on an international flight, you must go through customs, where you'll meet the customs officer. Customs officer. Make sure to complete your declaration form. Declaration form. Passenger. Passenger. When you go on a flight, you are the passenger. Buy your ticket. Don't forget to buy your ticket. Buy your ticket. Check your bags. Check your bags. Go through security. Go through security. Check in at the gate. Check in at the gate. When you check in at the gate, you get your boarding pass. Get your boarding pass. Board the plane. When it's time for your flight to leave, you board the plane. Find your seat. Find your seat. When you get on the plane, you must find your seat. Stow your carry-on bag. Stow your carry-on bag. Don't forget to fasten your seatbelt. Fasten your seatbelt. Look for the emergency exit. Look for the emergency exit. Look for the emergency exit. Look at the emergency card. Look at the emergency card. The flight attendant will tell you to look at the emergency card in the back of the seat in front of you. Take off. Take off. Leave. Leave. It's time to leave. The plane is going to take off. Request a blanket. Request a blanket. If it's a little cold on the plane, you can request a blanket. Experience turbulence. Experience turbulence. That's when the flight is a little bumpy. Land or arrive. Land. Arrive. The plane will land. The plane will arrive. Claim your baggage. Claim your baggage. Destination. Destination. The place the passenger is going is the destination. Departure time. Departure time. The time the plane takes off is the departure time. Arrival time. Arrival time. The time the plane lands is the arrival time. Direct flight. Direct flight. A direct flight is a plane trip between two cities with no stops. Stopover. Stopover. A stop before reaching the destination, sometimes to change planes, is a stopover. If this pronunciation practice has helped you feel more confident in your next flight, consider supporting my new channel by subscribing or visiting my link tree. Leave a message in the comment and let me know what other kind of pronunciation practice you'd like to hear. Thank you and have a wonderful trip.